my name is David Gonahasa. I am a co-founder at Home of the Gorillas initiative, the My Gorilla Family application. What we're doing is trying to find other ways to fund mountain gorilla conservation. For a long time, conservation has relied on trekking or donor funding. And what we're doing is saying that if we allowed more people to be a part of the process, we could be able to acquire more money to fund conservation. So conservation basically means, one, money that goes towards supporting human-wildlife conflict. So for example, how do you stop the people who live close to forests from going into Windy to get timber, gold and things like that? So if you give them ways to support their livelihoods, they don't need to go into the forest. So what we're doing is, how can we find new ways to fund that? And how we do it is through a subscription-based application that allows people to spend a small amount of money, $2 a month, be able to view video feeds of the gorillas, be able to get information on the families that are in the forest, just connect to them generally, like you would on Instagram, TikTok, or any of those other applications that you're a part of. We are looking as an institution to raise funding because it's expensive to build such applications. It's expensive to put cameras in the forest that running on a daily basis. It's expensive to be able to get, move this content from Windy to Kampala, create the videos, upload them on the application. It's a very expensive process. What we are trying to achieve is very simple. Can we have efficiency and be able to market these applications to the world, and all that needs money.